times when students make an error, it's really not due to misunderstanding. It's really attention to detail. And often it's a similar mistake that students will make either over and over again or to one another. So when students get an exam back, a lot of times the errors that they've made do not show a lack of understanding, but show a lack of attention to detail. So I focus a lot with students on exactly what is it that's being asked, and then how is it being answered. I call these errors fuzzy errors. Sometimes I've actually mixed that idea with what I call good-wrong answers, because even with a calculator, students can be tempted by a good-wrong answer. So I have an example here of 12 to the 0 plus 4 to the 0. Students, if they're given this question even with a calculator, they'll knee-jerk, and they'll sometimes think it's 0. Sometimes they'll add the 12 plus the 4. I don't know, I put the 48 there, just thinking maybe they might multiply them. But actually the correct answer is 2. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So 12 to the 0 is 1, and 4 to the 0 is 1. And so it's a great trick, quote-unquote trick. If they do this kind of question enough times and fall for the good-wrong answer enough times, they'll learn. So there are some topics that are really common where we see these types of mistakes, where students can get distracted and answer the wrong question. A really common one is answering area for perimeter, or the other way around. Looking at units, sometimes students won't put the unit on to a test. They won't include centimeters squared, or they'll choose the wrong one based on that. Exponent rules are a really common thing to make a mistake at. And also the word not. It's reading really carefully to make sure that they are answering the exact question. So studying good-wrong answers can help people increase their knowledge, skills, and attitude. But it really provides an opportunity for compare-contrast, and from that, a lot of learning can happen. When people design multiple-choice tests, they actually build in answers that are called distractors. But these distractors can actually help us learn. If you do the SAT question of the day, for example, every 3 days it's math, you'll see that some of the answers are some of these good-wrong answers that really help students, if they use them well, will help them to focus and also to learn. Thank you very much.